How to enable dark mode on BYDFi application. Are you guys facing issues to turn on dark mode on BYDFi application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open BYDFi app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Now look at the right corner of your screen where you can see the setting icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options. Just look at the theme mode and toggle it. As soon as you toggle it, your dark mode will be enabled, and that's it guys. That's how you're going to turn on dark mode on BYDFi application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.